Hi friends, today I'm doing some count in Spanish, in English, and Oria. First English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job! We did it. Now in Oria. Eke, due, tini, chari, panch, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Good job. Now counting in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.